Hello from my food forest. So if you follow my channel, you know I have this large worm farm which we built from old fridge. This is it. I made a couple of videos about how we did it, made some updates in between, but haven't showed it to you for a long time what's happening in here. So now I was thinking, I just harvested some of the casting. Let's get some light. So this is it. I just harvested some casting. This is the best homemade fertilizer you can get, basically. And I was thinking it will be a good idea to make a video and show you what's happening in here. So let me open it up again. There it is. So it's under the roof, so it's nice and shady. And by the way, worm farm made from an old fridge is just perfect because of the insulation. So they worms have warm in winter and cooler in summer. And under some shade or shade cloth, this is the perfect place. We have it sitting here for like 5 years now, I think, and it's working perfectly. So yeah, I have harvested the casting from here and did it for like already a few times, and now is the time where I reach the bottom here. This is the netting, and with the stones underneath for the drainage. And now is the time to move all this stuff from this half of the worm farm of the fridge to this side, and to get the ready to use worm casting from underneath, from the stuff I'm always throwing on top. So I'm always doing it to the half of the worm farm, so I can always harvest the other half. So now let's get into it. Where is my fork? Oh, here. So I just want to show you. I've actually got some new stuff here to throw, so I was thinking it will be a good idea to clean up and move this stuff over here. So now the larger things just go like that, and we will reveal the life underneath, hopefully. So let's have a look. Look at this. All the life in here. So I'm moving with my fork all the stuff. Look at it. I'm not keen to touch these guys, but I love them for the work they do. Here's still some paper, some what they work on. So this one will also go to the other side. You can see the worms busy working and all their friends. So it's one big network. They are supporting each other. So as you can see, and if you never had a worm farm, I can assure you a healthy worm farm never smells bad. It smells really like a nice earthy smell. So these guys with the millions and millions of eggs go in here to this side now, and look at it. Oops. So it's a little bit tricky to do it with one hand and filming, but you get the idea. So you see, that happens when you get a thicker sticks into your worm farm. It takes longer. The same like with newspapers, especially when they stick to each other. So, but now, pretty much, that's the higher bottom of the fridge. And here, about 30 centimeters in height, full of beautiful, best quality fertilizer. So before I start to harvest the casting, I will wait for like a couple of days, so these guys have the chance to move into their new space in here, this half of the worm farm. So I don't take too many, and then I basically start to harvest the worm casting. Still some newspapers. I will move it here. Look, these are the special worms for the worm farm, and all these other guys, they just moved in, and yeah, they all friends, all working, all doing beautiful job to provide me the best quality fertilizer. And I will mix it with the soil I do myself, and will also add it to the to my raised garden beds, and yeah, use it as I need it. And now I will get this stuff what I just pulled out of the garden into here. So just give me 1 minute, because it's not possible to do it with one hand. So the job is done. I have moved this stuff from here into there. Hopefully the video will be of a decent quality, so you can see really what I've done here and what I wanted to show you. So I moved it into here. So now the bugs, the worms, they can all work on it. It doesn't take long. So I always add more stuff on top, some browns, some greens, as you would do with any compost you wanna have. And I will start harvest the beautiful casting in about couple of days, and as I need it. And when this part is harvested, I will move again what's left here. I will move into there, and we'll have the ready to harvest casting in here. Simple and easy. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you never had a worm farm before, consider having one if you are really up to gardening, up to growing healthy food. And the best is always made out of recycled materials, of second-hand materials. So if you have any fridge or eskies are perfect for worm farms too. And yeah, give it a go. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below under the video. I always love to hear from you. And so yeah, I will now close the door, leave them alone, and we'll move this beautiful stuff and mix it with some soil for the young seedlings. So look at it, beautiful. Wishing you all the best with all your garden project, and see you next time, hopefully. Bye bye.